Moving on to our next category, Enterprise Women of the Year, Beauty and Health. Mrs. Kawal Preet Bagga Asrani, Senior Diamond Director, Oriflame. We all know this wonderful brand, Oriflame, and we have the Senior Diamond Director tonight with us, looking absolutely stunning in this gorgeous sari. Ma'am, many congratulations on receiving used Oriflame products. Thank you so much, ma'am. And moving on to our next category, which is Enterprise Women of the Year, Beauty and Health.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. This is anchor Neha Srivastava, and today I'm standing with a very beautiful lady. What's your good name, ma'am?
Kawal Preet.
Kawal Preet, ma'am, you are looking very energetic and very happy after getting this award. I can see it. So, would you like to tell something about your award?
Yes, thank you so much, first of all, for this 50 Leaders Top India Award for 2024. Yeah, the nomination was, yes, I was, but I'm very happy that I have got this award finally. And we work for women empowerment since 25 years. I'm working with Oriflame. Yeah, and this is my achievement because I can empower so many, I've actually able to help so many people all across India, few internationally also. So yes, this platform, when we say about financial freedom, yes, we offer the best for everyone. So, and this is also top 50 leaders. So yes, it feels proud to be a part of this award.
Okay, I have one question for you. What makes you different or unique from others?
Yeah, very interesting because we offer beauty and health. So I think when we talk about our PM today, he is also talking about the empowerment, like when we say Atmanirbhar, when we say health issues, when we say hygienic issues. So beauty और health अगर दोनों एक साथ हो जाएं और वो काम करने के साथ साथ financial freedom मिल जाए तो उससे best कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So yeah, so that's why I love to be part of this wonderful company Oriflame.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are very great and happy to have you here. And congratulations for the award. And I wish you'll get more awards in your future.
Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Nice
God bless you.